So today for breakfast we are going to make
idli.
How many you want to eat?
I want to eat just 3.
जब तक बराबर से कपड़े वगैरह पहनकर चेंज करके अच्छी तरह से मतलब तैयार नहीं होते हैं ना, तब तक ऐसे लगता है कि वी आर स्टिल इन स्लीप। तो मैंने सोचा कि पहले कपड़ों को चेंज कर लेते हैं और फिर ब्रेकफास्ट खाते हैं, बिकॉज ब्रेकफास्ट इज रेडी। ओनली यू हैव टू सेट इट।
Hello, I'm turning to Hitam. I'm girl. The big.
हाउ यू वांट?
I want 4 of the smaller ones, not the big ones.
ओके, बट यू वांट विद हनी और चटनी?
Honey.
Here
Thank
is
you.
my princess. Princess?
Not
Prince.
princess. Not.
Because Hannah and Daddy is still sleeping and there is no time because today is a holiday. There is no time when exactly they are going to get up. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, when we get up we eat our breakfast along with Hetam and me, and then we start making the other food like for lunch and all. We start preparing.
I'll eat after.
Shh, keep it over there. Honey will come on this also. Hetam don't want to eat more of idlis. It's just because of time, because he thinks the time will waste, and you know, in eating he don't want to waste his time. Correct? Say, don't become a bubble, otherwise I will break the
Bubble.
bubble.
Don't trouble the bubble, otherwise I'll break the bubble.
So guys, कपड़े मैंने चेंज कर दिया because it is so hot, कुछ भी पहन नहीं सकते, like you know, need to wear something cotton only. तो मैंने चेंज करके अपना कॉटन टी शर्ट पहन लिया है. And Hannah is sick today. She got fever. So we are trying maximum to like you know, play with her to keep her little bit active. She'll be fine. Just minds the fever है. Give her medicine and all. Just and yes, see, this is the mess when everybody starts playing. So Mama is also joined them play in the house because we are not going anywhere else today. So mostly on Fridays we normally order food, go out, all these things we do. But then this Friday is a lockdown. So we thought of cooking food. तो घर में जो कुक हुआ है मैं दिखाती हूँ. So we made yummy fish curry, white rice, and यहाँ पर है prawns and भिंडी. So that's our lunch. How Hannah is feeling? Hannah, how Hannah is feeling? Is Hannah fine? Yeah. Okay guys, let's play hide and seek. So who is going to hide and who will seek?
I will seek.
Hannah will hide. Hannah and Mama will hide.
No. Hannah will be with me.
She'll be. How with you? Both of you all will hide. Search me.
Yeah.
Okay, then fine. We are going to play hide and seek today.
Me.
No, that's it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Break the door. Here I come. I got you. Not you and Hannah.
1, 10. Ready or no? Here I come. Hannah never hides. Then whoever is hiding, she go and show the one who is going to catch them. She go and show. Here is the guy who is hiding. Let's search them. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Now your turn. You go ahead and close your eyes. We will hide, okay? Hannah, you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Say okay. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Where is Baba? Where is Baba? Where is Baba? Where is Baba? Such. Is he here? No? Okay, then where is he? Go search. Baba! Baba! Say Baba! Okay, go search. Baba! Is he hiding somewhere? She she saw you long time back only when you were hiding over there. Yeah, Hannah? Yes.
But why did you?
Because she was thinking maybe you will hide over there. That was your first spot, right, Hannah?
Now it's my turn again.
Yeah, Hannah? Come.
What an amazing prawns and bindi.
Tell you.
Really, I'm telling you.
It's become nice.
Yeah, curry also tastes nice, but the prawns and all, it's ruling the flavors of everything. But the salad is adding the hint
Why
and
you're
touch
saying
of
salad
love.
just because you have cooked?
No, no. I'm putting
See,
growing
you
onion
should-
in the garden.
You should not make your own tarif. By the way, I must say, wow, क्या salad है?
Bindi is become very nice.
Yeah, very tasty.
You taste and check. Bindi and the prawns. No?
What is?
You eat only the bindi and prawn. You can put nicely in one nice like a bread. You know that long bucket bread we bring. Taste nice in that.
We'll try what in the evening. But
So-
you cannot. यहाँ पर चेस खेला जा रहा है. There is nothing to do. Yeah.
Play.
Play. Wow. Okay, very nice. Hannah's turn. Yeah, your turn. Yay! Now Baba's turn. Okay, Hannah turn. I turn. Wow! Our turn?
Bye.
What is our turn?
Bye.
Baba keeps cheating. Okay, at this. Wow. Okay, now. Yay! Now Hannah. Your turn, Hannah. Okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. वो है बाहर का नज़ारा. It's in the evening. What is the time, Baba?
It is 6:40.
It's 6:40. हम लोग ये चाय वगैरह पी कर अच्छी तरह से सो वो कर उठ गए हैं. Me. And we are having a fun time again in the evening. And Hannah again we put one more time medicine because fever फिर से आया था थोड़ी टाइम के लिए and then she's fine. And now Hannah is feeling little better, so better than morning. So again you are wasting cream. Nano, let's do the jump test since Dada made the bed, and Dada is saying
jumping on the bed.
that anybody can jump on this bed. It will not
Yeah.
break.
But if it breaks, be ready to sleep out.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Good.
Strong?
Yeah, very strong.
That is also the upside down. रात के बज रहे हैं 11:30. आई एम विथ हैना. डैडी वेंट टू ब्रिंग सम मेडिसिन क्योंकि हम लोगों को लगा अगर फीवर फिर से आ जाएगा तो वी नीड सम मोर मेडिसिन विच ही वेंट टू ब्रिंग. एनीवेज इज विथ मी एंड हेतम गोइंग टू स्लीप नाउ. तो हम लोग भी इस ब्लॉग को एंड करेंगे. मैं आप लोगों से मिलती हूँ अगले वाले ब्लॉग के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड